Hello again, and welcome to another Moodle Tips video. Okay, in this Moodle Tips video I'm just going to be talking about inserting and using banners and labels to highlight your content. Okay, I'll show you what I mean by one of these. I'll go down to my ESOL Entry 3 class. Okay, well, why would we use labels for our thing? Well, it's a way of highlighting different subjects and themes within the text. Now, as you know, Moodle is kind of very long scrolling thing, but we want to break it down into parts. So we've got some examples of labels just here. We've got some simple ones, like this one here, the ESOL Student Handbook, this one here, additional links, and we've got a couple of sample pictures. This one here, and if I go down the page, one that says tasks, nice picture of some angels there, or cherubs, okay, picture of Margaret Thatcher. It's from a Margaret Thatcher quiz there. And another one we did to highlight a specific subject. Okay, so how do we do this? Well, it's very, very simple. We'll go into our BLT section here. And we'll turn the editing on. My computer link is a little bit slow today, so apologies for that. Okay, and I'll just insert some down here. Okay, go to this section here. I've done two already, so you can see what they look like, if the computer will behave. Okay, we've got one here. This is a simple label, and I also did this one here. This is a more interesting label. All we do is add an activity or resource. We go to label down here. Here it is. We add it, and what comes up will be the text editor eventually. There we go. Comes up like this, and all you have to do very simply is create your label. Okay, it's useful to highlight it or make it larger, and what this does, of course, is to make your label stand out so that it brings the student's attention to a given area. Let's make that bigger. We'll center it, okay, and we'll change the color as well. Let's be exciting, eh? There we go. Right, there we go. We do that, and we save and return to course. And you'll see it just down here, eventually. And there we are, create your label. We can also use it to insert pictures. This one here, I just inserted a picture with it. You can create your own label, which I did here, just a very boring star. I didn't a paint program, or you can have a photograph and put it in there as well. Or the other way of doing it is to actually take a photograph of something from the internet and use that. Now, this could be useful in things like highlighting a given topic. If I go back to this one very quickly, and we'll go to this picture down here from the National Science and Engineering Week. If the computer will behave. It's not doing very much at the moment. Come on. Come on. Work. There we go. In this one here, I took this picture directly off the internet. I'll just show you. I'll go to update. And you'll see this picture here. Okay, and what this is being taken directly from there. What I've done is find the picture on the internet. I've looked for the URL. Okay, I've copied that, copied and pasted there. Goes directly in there. I've also changed the appearance just to make it a bit smaller, and I changed one of the dimensions. Usually for pictures to be not too big, you want about 250 pixels, and all you do is click that in, click on update, and it's finished. Simple as that. Okay, so that's a very simple way of doing it. It helps break up your content, makes it look easier, and makes it look neater as well, so that students can find it faster and you can find it faster too. Hope you find that one useful.